To knit the purl stitch, insert your right needle into the front loop of the first stitch, from back to front, and from right to left. Wrap the yarn around the needle tip from front to back, passing the yarn in between the two needles, and back out to the front of the work. Next, use the right needle to push that loop of yarn down and back through the center of the stitch on the left needle. Next, slide the right needle to the right until the new stitch slips off the left needle. Gently pull the yarn to even out the stitch, just tighten it enough so the loop stays neatly on the needle, do not pull too tight. Repeat.